Today we will show you how to get started with a new Fusion Apollo MS WB675 4-zone Marine Hideaway Stereo. That means this Marine Hideaway Stereo is capable of 4 independent audio zones. This will allow you to play your music loud where desired while keeping other areas of the boat at a softer level. Let's take a look at the bottom of the stereo first. Here you can see all of your connections. The stereo has 3 connections for your wiring harness: a USB port, Sirius XM tuner connection, the AM/FM antenna port, and the digital audio in or optical port to connect to a TV or DVD player. You also have 2 network ports, one for Ethernet and one for NMEA 2000. Now at the top of your stereo you have 2 physical buttons, one for power and one for Bluetooth. The stereo is designed to be installed in a location that may not be easily accessible. Almost all playback and stereo interaction is done through a network-connected remote control, stereo or chart plotter. You may need to watch the LEDs or press the buttons on the device itself. You have 4 LEDs at the top of your stereo. The light with the Bluetooth symbol indicates Bluetooth connectivity. Next is the Ethernet light. The on and off indicator symbol is the status of the stereo, and finally the battery icon is the status light for the power to the stereo. The stereo's serial number can be located on the back of the stereo on a sticker just below the word Fusion at the top. Now we will cover the hardware that comes with the Fusion Apollo MS WB675 4-zone Marine Hideaway Stereo. You will have a NMEA 2000 drop cable to connect to an existing NMEA 2000 network. You will also receive 3 wiring harnesses. The primary harness will have the bare wire connections. This harness is used to connect to the stereo to power and has the bare wire speaker connections. The next harness has your line and subwoofer outputs for zones 1 and 2 and for auxiliary input 1. The final harness is for the line and subwoofer outputs for zones 3 and 4. The last thing that comes with your Fusion Marine Stereo is the 4 mounting screws. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.